Hello, my name's Kevin. I'm a musician living in London, Ontario. Today I'm going to be doing a demonstration on modulated short delay effects. There are a lot of effects that are based on the short delay. Today we're going to be talking specifically about the flanger and the chorus. A delay is a reflection of a sound off of a surface, and the length of that delay would be dependent on how far the surface is away from the source. This can be a problem when recording in a studio, but it can be a very creative process with effects and mixing. Modulated short delay effects are particularly popular with guitar players because it allows them to get a good wide stereo mix on their guitars. It's a very presence creating sound, which adds a little bit of a psychedelic effect or feel to it. When we see these effects applied to a spectrum of sound, they appear to be notched. This is called comb filtering. These effects can be applied, and it's done by LFO, which stands for low frequency oscillator, and that works in line with the delay. So a delay line is controlled by the LFO, and the delay is set to approximately 20 milliseconds, and the LFO constantly varies this time within plus or negative 0 to 5 milliseconds. It can be controlled by changing the waveform's amplitude, frequency, and shape. The sine waveform is a very smooth sound and the pitch constantly changes. The triangle LFO produces two pitches and the change between them is sudden and sharp. The log wave is smooth and it jumps at the end of each cycle with an abrupt change in pitch. I'm going to be using an amplifier that has onboard effects. It has a pretty good version of a flanger and a chorus effect. A flanger adds together a signal and a time-varying delayed version of itself. It creates a comb filter in motion sound, which creates a picket fence effect. A chorus effect can make a guitar sound like several instruments are being played, and this adds a wide thickness to the overall sound of the guitar. The modulated effects are based on the Doppler effect, which is the fact that objects coming towards you are a higher pitch than objects moving away from you, which creates a phasing effect. This is true with light waves and sound waves or any other type of wave on the electromagnetic spectrum. So as you can see, there's a lot of brands out there that allow you to manipulate and play with the phase cancellation and comb filtering, the rate and speed and the dry-wet mix of your signal. Modulated short delay effects are an integral part of the creative process in music. This concludes my demonstration, and I appreciate you having a look, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you.